What's up, YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman, your guide to all things gear and beards. Today we're going to take a look at why I quit using a blow dryer in my morning routine. If you want to know, stay tuned through the end. Guys, if you are new to my channel, I'm the Bearded Outdoorsman, and as you saw through my new intro, I do gear reviews, some beard product reviews. Drop me a comment, let me know what you think about my new intro and that little mix. But anyway, today we're going to talk about why I quit using a blow dryer during my morning routine. So I got to thinking about why was I blow drying my beard? All right, what was my end result? What was my goal in blow drying? Was it just to dry what I couldn't with a towel, or what was it? And I did my video about a few weeks ago about steps for growing a beard. And one thing that I said in that video made me think. I said, if your beard is curly, embrace it. If your beard is straight, embrace it. Bottom line, embrace what you have. So that got me thinking, got some wheels turning up here, and wanted me to kind of made me think about why was I blow drying. Well, a couple of guys I've taught to blow dry just to get the curls out and to straighten their beard, and a couple people blow dry to add a little bit of length, to show that length off. And so I had to do some thinking. Why was I doing it? Well, was I doing it because of a fad too? Because so many people are going with a straight beard. Is it something that we're blow drying that beard to straighten it because other people have said that's what a good beard looks like? I quit blow drying my beard and embraced the curly beard. All right, so a couple things that's done for me since I've stopped blow drying. When I would blow dry my beard, yes, it would add some length to it. Yes, it would be straight, but because my beard is so curly, within a few hours, my beard had drawn back up and gone back to its curly state. But in the process, it gave me more tangles. It gave me more knots because it went from being straight to coming back up, and when it curled back up, it knotted up and it got bad. I mean, I couldn't even get a comb through it some days without getting some good conditioner in it and some good butter in it to kind of release some of them knots, and I didn't like that. If you like it straight, keep doing it. I'm telling you from personal experience, my beard is so curly, when I would blow dry it didn't matter what products I put in during the day, it would still curl back up, and I didn't like putting heat on it for a long period of time to maintain that curl. So I did little heat, but it still curled back up and gave me worse results. So just a little bit of food for thought, just something to think about. Drop me a comment. If you blow dry your beard, drop me a comment. Let me know, why do you do it? Do you do it because it makes your beard look better, looks more professional, because straight beards are in? What is it? Why do you blow dry your beard? I'm interested to see, because the people that I've talked to, it's been for those reasons I mentioned before. It's been because straight beards are in, because they've seen straight beards and that's what they want theirs to look like. But to me, with my beard type, blow drying is now out of my morning routine and I don't do it anymore. Like I said in my other video, embrace what you have. Embrace it. I've embraced this curly thick beard and rocking it in its curly state. I still do my oils and my balms and my butters at night, and it is great. I have fewer tangles, I have fewer knots, and it's great. So overall, the end result is, in my opinion, a healthier beard, because I'm not causing it to knot up and get those tangles. So just think about it. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. What is your take on it? And what's your opinion on it? I'm interested and curious to know. So thank you for watching. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Make sure to hit that thumbs up. And like I said, drop me a comment. And as always, from the Bearded Outdoorsman, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.